Morning students, let's continue our exercise 4.3. So we are start from the question number 6. Question number 6 is, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. Here the condition has given, if the work done by a body, that means it is by the constant of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. Here we are, and the question is, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit. That has given the constant force is directly proportional, and that constant force has given 5 unit. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit or 0 unit. Okay, by the help of graph we say that when the body if the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit, then work is done is equal to what is the value, how much is work has done, and when the distance traveled by the body is 0 unit, then work done is equal to which value. Okay, now supposing here I am taking x, the two variables we need to take is, one is the work done and second one is the distance traveled by the body. Supposing x is the distance and y is the work done. So for the given condition, y is the work done, that means y is equal to 5x. Actually the condition is the work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body of the constant force. That means F is here, but directly proportional sign is converted is equal to, because constant force value has given here the 5. So our equation is y is equal to 5x. Now we need to draw the graph for the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. If I am taking x, that means distance traveled I am taking as x variable. So value of x is 2. So work done is equal to 5 2s are 10. If the distance traveled by the body is 0, so 5 zeros are 0. That means work done is equal to 0 unit. Now we draw the graph for the same. So we draw the graph for the work distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and distance traveled by the body is 0 unit. So work done is 10 unit and 0. Also we are taking the some more value. If I am taking the distance traveled is 1, so work done is equal to 5. 2 and 10 we have already taken. If work done by a body is minus 1, so distance traveled by the body is minus 1, so work done is equal to minus 5. This type of value we also take it and give it the work done by the body of the given distance traveled by the body. Okay, so 2 and 10, 0 and 0. If you want to be take, then minus 1 the value of this one x and minus 5. This is to be here, minus 1 minus 5. So this type of graph we will get it. Okay, let's come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is, Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfy this data. Okay, and draw the graph for the same. Okay, now take Yamini contribution is rupees x. We need to take the two variables. That's why I am saying that. After that we saying that then that contribution together how much is equal, that means has given is equal to 100. Okay, so take Yamini contribution is rupees x and Fatima contribution is rupees y, and for the given condition actually together they will they contribute, their contribution is equal to rupees 100. So x plus y is equal to 100. This is the equation. Basis on this equation we easily draw the graph. Okay, so sometimes suppose I put the value of Yamini's contribution, that means x is 20, so Fatima is 80, because together they are 100. So these are the some values. I think that is very easy for you then to draw the graph for the given condition. Okay, so as a homework you all do the question number 7. Okay.